they are more energetic than those who are not living in the jungle.
Let me tell you something.
Tell me.
Before I've been taking advantage of zongo. The first Ghana Armed Forces who were formed in Ghana are the Zongos.
Wow.
People from the Zongo. The first, we have something we call 600 Global Hausa soldiers. In 1873, they will tell you that during the British era, they couldn't conquer Kumasi, Ashanti region. They couldn't go to Ashanti region. They can't. They did everything possible. They couldn't enter. So they were advised, if you want to conquer the Ashantis, I think you need the soldiers who will give you backup.
That is from Ghana.
From Ghana. So what they do is they went to Nigeria, the northern Nigeria, to bring soldiers from there. And then the captain at that time who is leading that soldiers is called Captain Glover. So those soldiers were named 600 Glover Hausa soldiers. 600 Glover Hausa soldiers. Because the people were houses. Because the houses formed the Zongo. So they brought in here to come and help the British era by that time to be able to conquer Kumasi. That is when they became victorious in Kumasi with the help of this kind of soldiers. And then these people came in as soldiers. It is this same 600 Global Hausa soldiers who formed the Ghana Armed Forces. That is where majority of the the music or the songs that is being sung in the military, you see that it's Hausa, Kaiwawa, Captain this Kaiwawa and all that. You see, majority of their songs, you see that it's Hausa. It's because the people
and most of them are Muslims.
Hausa automatically, they are automatically Muslims. Hausa, they are automatically Muslims. So majority of these people were the Zongo people. It is through these 600 Global Hausa soldiers that the Ghana Armed Forces was formed. So it will tell you that majority of these people, they are sons, daughters, granddaughters of military men. You understand? Who have come and then helped the nation. Because if not them, the name Gold Coast, you can't even get it. Because you need Ashanti region to be full for you to get Gold Coast and then to Ghana. And then these are the people who make this dream come true. You get it? That is their quota. And then it will surprise you to know the national chief, our current national chief, his grandfather was part of these Global Hausa soldiers. And he is even the leader. He's called Officer Damborno. Officer Damborno. He gave birth to the father of Chief Imam Sharubutu, and then Sharubutu gave birth to Chief Imam. He's part of these Global Hausa soldiers. So he also give a quota to this this nation. You understand? So the Zongo people, they've done a lot for this community, for this country. You understand? But people have corrupted. People have corrupted the community, the environment. We have ethics in Zongo. It is in Zongo that you can leave your house and then sleep in your neighbor's house, and then your father will take your friend's father will take care of his children and your children as well. It is in Zongo that when you do something wrong, your friend's father has the right to discipline you. You know, this is culture, this is ethics. And then this kind of culture, it is from the Hausa people. We have something we call Kara. Kara means it's even a shame for you to discriminate between your daughter and then your friend's daughter. Your friend's daughter is also your daughter. Sometimes you even have to give your friend's daughter or your neighbor's daughter to even deny your own. It is also part of the ethics of a Zongo man. So those kind of behavior, this kind of attitude in the Zongo has been corrupt, and then we sell out negatively because people don't know the real culture. The name is being corrupted from Zongo to Zongo. That tells you that no, something is wrong somewhere. You understand? It's not what people think. It is in Zongo that you will see decent people. It is in Zongo that you have knowledgeable people. It is in Zongo that all the positive things you should have to get in Zongo, but now things have changed. You understand? Because people are taking advantage of them. You understand? It is good when somebody step on your toes, you have to voice out. But in what manner? It's also very important. You understand? Sometimes you can call the person attention, but you don't have to overreact. And I know, but something is going wrong. But as time goes on, we discuss about this.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll go to the Imam. Please let me ask, Mr. Why the fasting? 30 days journey fasting. By the time we baby, not obey say, no obey say, no obey say, obey say. Why the fasting? Because we get the conception that you say Monday cerebral fasting for the whole year.
Okay.
So I want you to say one clear and money.
Okay. Say fasting. Nyankopon or share all the Muslim say in fasting.
Nyankopon, amen.
Or share all the Muslim say in fasting. Fasting idea or commission Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam Nyankopon a demand. And I fasting all the prophets the question no by or why fasting. Until yeah fasting no say yeah fasting say like yeah no with say that yeah
okay
that be Nyankopon a share via Quran say the actually say yeah fasting and a fasting no I idea young kasano my like nipa to say what you are be an problem be a etimima
okay
because fasting it means never be free ewo nipa ho nti fasting idea ema all the Muslim
adentina obi here fasting 30 days na me do say na dem ma ho den so nti ma me didi na me didi na we fasting for say me yesu
yeah almost if I say Islam ewo 5 pillars
yeah
5 pillars of Islam so 5 pillars fasting come
okay
fasting come pillars nti say undani Islam papa ana ube good Muslim I was say to have 5 pillars we follow all the 5 pillars say one follow which way back when I say we je bi wo mu that means you Islam and koyi touch until 5 pillars I was say we dey over follow
but sure if you are over 5 pillars will be share or 5 pillars
yeah 5 pillars say the commissioning Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam we actually 5 pillars like first one nyame friend I was say tambiano nyame friend obey 5 times a day and on first one and the second one ena nyankopo eshra na se ma oska obeko maka obeko akoye hajj
manka
yeah obeko akoye hajj ewo maka and the second one and the third one ansana obey Muslim yewo kalimat ana asama obeka ansana obey Muslim untimi en sorry say me a Muslim no ako sorry na wo ya sorry sa dabi e wo say sa kalimat no obeka ansana obey Muslim en abeka say la ilaha illallah muhammadur rasulullah eno obia obeka say nyankopon bia ni mo gise nyame ba ko pe ena okonshani Muhammad na smofo eno uka sa kelma no that means we are Muslim
okay that's a soaring in
yeah
soaring in
yeah nti eno third one ena obey fasting some Ramadan obey fasting ansana the economy obey hajj البيت am less كذلك obey hajj no akoye asori ewo nti 5 pillars of Islam say one timi and this one ebi ho e o say won disu obey kalimat, obey sorry, obey fasting, obey for hajj, then a time beyond obey zakat, obey charity. Until 5 pillars of Islam, I was said, time beyond. Say we are Muslim, I will say we this. Until some fasting, pillars. Until I know in shares, in bets. Say we are young people, it's say we are. Nasa when you say area no war, a war, if you are you or awesome. Until me and yet, force say obey. Now, so there would be young, would be ma dear won't need would the amount no or fasting. Also, Benya and Shram.
Auntie, obit me a fasting moon.
Obi ansana, obi bear fasting. Ama obi, he said, Ebia, Nipan, Nipa, Nansu Wakabibi. Wakabibi. Now, Wakabibi, no. While fasting, kakra elho, ubetimi say ebia o maame ana o papa, ubetimi aya ama. Ubetimi aya fasting mama.
But I didn't. Is it? Say me this are 5 lessons work.
Yeah.
Not just say me fasting 30 days.
Yeah.
Now means me 21 days and 9 days or say me ship.
Say I want to me we 21 days.
What's the belief? Believe by a witch.
Big na watching say, I was say, unji unyanko edi, because unji yanko dear, because first one, Obe Kelmatin, Oka Kelmat dam is why the yanko why for say, dear yanko pashisha amount, Ubedis, Ubedi, until obey fasting, say the yanko child say okay.
Fasting is a spiritual journey.
Okay.
It's a spiritual journey as in so what did you come or see predecessors of the fasting. In the Quran also Quran see kutuba alaykum siyam kama kutuba alal ladina min qablikum la'allakum tattaqun. I have ordered you to fast. I have ordered you to fast just as I've ordered your predecessors to fast. Just for you to fear Allah. When we talk about fearing Allah, it's not about running away from Him. Like you have to love Him here. Because when you fear something, you can't even worship the person. But if you love Him, so the real interpretation here is to love Allah. That is to fear Allah. If I love you, I can do whatever you want for me. The same applies to Ope Nyami. It is a test for you. It's a spiritual journey because Nyami on Didi it's an attribute to Allah. It's some kind of attribute. There's something in that fasting for you not to eat. At that time you feel some kind of spiritual motivation within yourselves. And into that exercise no. Into exercise no, your choir actually say over fast. From beginning, you have to see the moon. Sumu the ru'yatil hilal, waftilu ru'yati. You have to make sure you see the moon. Then you start your fasting. When it's time for you to break the fasting, maybe 29 or 30 days, you have to make sure you've seen the moon.
So today the moon came?
Yeah, we saw the moon yesterday.
You saw the moon yesterday?
That's why you break our fasting.
So if you don't see the moon, you know.
So we have to complete the month. You understand? We have a calculation of our Arabic months. We are in Ramadan. Ramadan itself is a month on its own. So we have to complete. Today Ramadan is complete 30 days.
Okay.
So automatically the next day we are in different month. So whether we see the moon at this time or we didn't see, so far as the month is complete 30 days, we just have to finish our fasting. But fortunately for us, we saw the moon yesterday in Noah.
Wow.
So, yeah.
So those there gives the communication.
That's why I tell you, each community we have a zongo chief, we have a imam, chief imam. So the communication just go. So the zongo where they've seen the moon, you have to just report to the district imam. Then he report to the Ruwa regional imam, and then the regional imam correspond with the office of the National Chief Imam, it goes worldwide.
Wow.
Yeah, that's how it is.
How do you gather yourselves? Because today when me say, each place is piano. We have a mat, we have a canopy. People are helping to arrange the place for their brothers and sisters to come and worship. How do you guys?
I'm not even expecting you to ask me this question because you're supposed to know more than us.
No.
Muslim people eat 4 people. They don't eat even single.
Yeah,
so
but it's not. I'm saying this. I'm asking this because sometimes we get someone. Okay, maybe I'm here, and I've known that.
Yeah. I
know someone who stays here, but she doesn't go to any. What can I say? She doesn't service here. She bought car and goes somewhere to service. That's what I was asking. How do you gather them? Because is it that maybe I'm here, but the mosques where they are, someone gave a comment. When they are old people and I'm young, so why should I go there? I have to go somewhere. That's what I'm asking. How do you gather them?
The Quran